PWRcell system comes pre-configured with user-friendly system modes to deliver the performance both customers and utilities need. In this video, we'll cover the 4 most popular modes and how to select them. Please be advised, some modes, such as priority backup, may not be in compliance with local utility rules. In this case, those modes may be locked out by the installer. See manual for details. From the home screen, press the center button to access the System Mode menu. Then navigate to the desired system mode with the up and down buttons. Finally, select the system mode with the center button and confirm your selection. Let's get to know the system mode options and what sets them apart from one another. Choosing the right modes will depend on the project objective, maximizing cost savings or energy security. In other words, will your customer be better served by keeping their battery charged and ready for an outage, or better served by exercising their battery to offset energy costs? Or perhaps your customer does not have a battery at all. In that case, leave the system in the default grid tie mode. This is only used for configurations without a battery. A system set to grid tie mode will not be able to support loads in the event of a grid excursion. For systems with a battery, Clean Backup is a mode which prioritizes keeping the battery fully charged with solar energy. Once all connected PWRcell batteries are charged, available solar energy will be converted to AC current to support local loads and for grid export. The battery will stand by, fully charged, waiting to support loads in the event of an outage. The self-supply system mode prioritizes load support while grid power is available. An installer will usually select self-supply mode for a customer whose priority is cost savings, as it will maximize the utilization of self-generated solar energy. This mode relies on current transformers installed at the main entrance to determine how much local demand exists. If a grid excursion occurs, the PWRcell system will still provide backup power, although less battery energy may be available. Regardless of system mode, in the event of a grid excursion, PWRcell will prioritize the use of available solar energy to support protected loads and charge the battery second. When local loads demand more power than the solar array can provide, such as when the sun sets, the battery will supply additional power to support loads. PWRcell can be programmed to switch between self-supply and clean backup modes on a schedule that maximizes cost savings for system owners who are subject to time-of-use rate schedules from their utility. Learn more about TOU schedules and how they save even more money by minimizing grid usage during high-price periods. Schedules cycle between system modes to achieve best value if the customer is enrolled in a TOU tariff. Both self-supply and clean backup modes rely on available solar power to recharge the PWRcell battery. When solar power is not available, the battery may be charged using utility power using the priority backup system mode. This capability is useful when an outage is expected in the near future and solar power is insufficient to charge the battery to 100% on its own. Priority backup will allow the battery to charge using available solar power. By supplementing solar and grid power, the battery can recharge at its maximum rate. If your PWRcell system is subject to any third-party, financial, or interconnection agreements, check that grid charging is not prohibited.